Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So, the Huawei confirmed the upcoming foldable Huawei Mate X2 will be powered by the Kirin 9000 chipset. Huawei CEO Richard Yu shared on a Weibo that the Mate X2 will be unveiled on February 22. The CEO says that the foldable flagship will lead the new form of smartphone in the future. As you can see these images, the phone will have an inward floating design unlike the original Mate. Another surprising detail revealed today is that the Huawei Mate X2 will be powered by the Kirin 9000 chipset. It is not a surprise that Huawei want to use its best chipset in this smartphone. It's surprised that the company has any in-stick new chip have not been produced since September. Previously, the X2 passed through a TINA which revealed that the phone will have a 6.45-inch external display with a surprisingly reasonable 21 by 9 aspect ratio and a resolution of 1160 by 2700 pixel. For comparison, the Galaxy Z Fold 2 has lanky 25 by 9 display. The internal screen will be the largest on a foldable yet, measuring 8.01 in diagonal, 2200 by 2480 pixel resolution with a squarish 10 by 9 aspect ratio. The unfold dimension of the phone are listed as 161.8 by 145.8 by 8.2 millimeter. Inside will be 4400 mAh battery with a 66-watt fast charging support. The quad camera on the rear will have 50 plus 60 plus 212 and plus 8 megapixel configuration. Leakstar Digital Chat Station posted these images showing the Mate X2 in closed and open position. It shows a dual punch hole on the external screen with 16 megapixel selfie camera with a large internal screen is spotless, free of any holes and notches. While it's come from a TINA and should be quite reliable, this information has not been officially confirmed. All Richard Yu and a company revealed today are the inward floating design and the Kirin 9000 chipset. So guys, this is the latest news about the upcoming Huawei Mate X2 news. Let me know in the comment section, are you waiting for this floatable beast from Huawei? Also like the video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll catch you later in my next video. Peace out and bye.